Happy birthday, Liberty!
It's been almost a year since we splashed our boat, and though we've motored back and forth to several different marinas, we've spent the majority of this past year continuing our refit. We've added many pieces of kit that will make her a safe and comfortable cruising boat, and the girls took surfing lessons. We even got to prep for a major storm. Todd got to enjoy living on the hook for a few days, and then we moved aboard. Finally, we got her new sails installed, used them for a hot second moving marinas, installed a chart plotter, and then we watched and waited for good weather window to go for real sail. Last week we serviced the winches, and now it's time to try them out.
Babe, is it working?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
What are you trying to accomplish here?
I'm trying to update our Navionics card. Ours was last updated in June of 2020.
This is the one that Salty Escape gave us, right?
Yes.
If it ain't one learning curve, it's another, right, dear?
It never ends.
Never ends. We want to go do some sailing tomorrow. All right, well, good luck. We got to get the boat ready. Ready to go sailing tomorrow? Say yes. Yes. She interrupted me doing the dishes. She probably should think better of that.
Okay, so this is going to cost us $100.
And what does that give us?
The United States, Canada, and apparently the Bahamas. Parts of Mexico. If we were sailing on the Pacific side, we would have the Baja and the Sea of Cortez. But we aren't anywhere close to that, so.
It also looks like we could sail over the top of Canada to Alaska through the ice route.
the Northwest Passage.
Is that
no,
on
thank
our
you.
bucket list?
No.
I don't know. I think that sounds like a good deal. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we do. I need a credit card. As we're getting ready to go out and go sailing, I'm going through our GoPros and updating them. I just want to do a shout out to our patrons who support us every month. That support helps us do the things that we need to do to keep this show running, and we would love to have you as part of our crew. Come on, girls. You gotta get up and get ready to go. Hey, Denali, you want to come out? Yeah, do you want to come out? Beautiful day.
It is. There's no wind yet, though. I think it'll show up in the next 3 hours.
Yes.
It's supposed to. So let's get the boat ready, shall we? Chop chop.
All right. It's early. It's not even 8 yet. But we've got to take down the shade covers and remove the air conditioners. Right now I'm going to go put this updated chart in the chart plotter and see if it works. According to Predict Wind, we're supposed to have 10 to 15 knots with no gusts. This should be a beautiful day for our first sailing adventure. Yep, it's all there. Woo woo! Putting in the cooler.
Drinks. Apparently, when you go sailing, you're supposed to have drinks and like snacks, stuff like that.
So we have water and Sprite and Vita water?
Yep. Mostly water.
What are you doing? Oh, cutting that up.
Cutting this up so that if it ever gets into the water from the landfill, the turtles don't die, right?
Well, the nice thing about not having a wind this morning is none of this is blowing away.
That's right. And I think I just wet my pants.
You have water everywhere.
Nope, I'm good.
So what's that all from?
Solar Arch. That's what we were going to do today.
But we decided it was more important to take this day to go sailing because it's going to be a beautiful day. We want our kids to enjoy it. We want to enjoy it. And talking to one of our friends, he was like, well, you can go out when it's windier. He goes, it might scare the heck out of you, but you'll learn something. And I'm like, I don't want to be scared the first time we go out and try to raise all of our sails and do all of this. And I especially don't want our kids to be scared. We want to ease into this so that everybody enjoys themselves.
Nothing scares me.
Are we ready?
Well, we gotta get the loose stuff off.
This is our friend Dan. He's circumnavigated the entire Caribbean, is a charter captain, the harbor master, and has twin electric motors on his Mantis catamaran.
Just go straight ahead real slow.
We're grateful for his calm demeanor and experience today.
There we go.
Perfect. Way to go, Tim. That's the way to do it. All right. Perfect. Off we go. I love electric motors. No diesel exhaust smell, no noise. Nice shade.
So we're sitting at 110 amps, 886 RPMs in the motor.
Okay.
As we head out, we realize that the wind direction is perfect to take us out into the Gulf of Mexico with very little effort.
Far enough over, you think, or you want to go over more?
Well, we have to, I would go that way and then upwind because the wind's coming from that way.
Right, yeah.
Kind of behind us. Now you've got enough clearance, Todd, if you want to do a 180 and it'd be like almost going straight back to the marina. That'd be upwind and we can get the main up. So we need to put slack on the main sheet.
Dan talked Todd and I through the steps to raise our sails.
So let a little main sheet out. There you go. Now lock it up there. There you go. Now another 10 degrees or so to port. We're sailing, guys.
It's okay for the first day. It'll give you that extra.
I see dolphins.
I think we should use a little bit of jib now too. Is that locked off the main?
Yep.
Okay.
So which direction does this go? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Eventually, we'll get the kids more involved, but today, the parents are learning how to sail our own boat.
I'm going to control the roller roller.
Okay. Yeah.
So we're only letting out 100% or so. Not more.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Keep going.
You need a winch handle.
Oh, that's what I need. You turn it. I'll tail it.
That's good. Tie it off there.
65 feet,
That's our speed.
2.2 knots.
Sweet! Against the current too, but
Right? Yeah, which is probably knot and a half at least, right?
at least. So, Todd, I recommend you steer to port to build up a little speed for tacking. Yeah, then go ahead and tack.
Here's some bumps for you. Some little ones, little bumps.
Okay, so now we're going like this way. What do we do to this way?
So go this way as far as you safely can and tack again.
You're going to get ready to let that go.
It's all good. I'd hold this for another like 5 seconds or so. There you go. Now go ahead and tack.
All right, get ready.
All in. The pilot bug's going out. That means a ship will be coming in.
So what do we do?
You just hold the course. Just information. The pilots know the channel better than any guy who travels internationally. So we're about to the roughest spot out here. The opening of the entrance is the roughest area.
Woo! Okay.
You're sailing nice. You're making good progress.
3.8 knots.
Sit down and hold on. I don't want to have to get you out of this channel. Are you enjoying yourself, dear?
Yes, I am.
And we'll be going down current on the way back in. Based on me looking at that buoy right there, I think we're going against 1.5 knots or so.
Okay. So just put the nose of the boat just like where it is right here. Just keep the nose with that little thing about right there. So if the nose starts to turn it back. Right?
You're doing perfect, Abigail.
I'm not doing it.
She says, I haven't turned the wheel yet. It's
Well,
in the
that's
same place.
perfect. You shouldn't. If it's still sailing the way you want it to, don't mess with it.
What are you doing with the motor?
Well, so right now we're going about 5.5 knots, 5.5 to 6, and we got regeneration with our motor plus 2.4 amps, 1.5 to 2.4 amps going in back into our motor bank. That's kind of cool.
It is such an amazing feeling to have all our sails up and feel the wind pushing us along. We made it about 5 miles offshore before we decided to head back in. We can't wait to do this again.
So used to the motion after a while that you just walk around like it's nothing.
Fantastic.
See that right there? That's called a smile. Smiles are a good thing. And Abigail's a little sick.
The waves were 2 to 3 feet offshore and fairly close together, making a couple of our kids and our cat queasy, but it was significantly better as we headed to the marina. It's surprising how quickly 4 hours flies by when you're having so much fun. We couldn't have asked for better conditions as we sailed through the channel, not even needing to tack once.
Hey dear, you're gonna have to put it in forward here, slow and easy. Give us about 1.5 knots, okay?
We're at 3 knots right now.
So just give it some throttle and aim towards the condos.
Pretty good right there.
Alright,
Alright, babe.
over us in.
Okay, I'm not going to do this all the way to the dock.
I thought you were.
No, I don't know that I can do that.
There's a small boat coming out, so pass him like you would on a road.
Okay.
He's gonna pass you on your left.
Mine's not.
Yeah, walk it over more. You might get it.
There you go.
And grab that other line because you're gonna get.
Here, give me that other line.
Yep.
Oh, scary as heck.
And that's supposed to stop their rear motion, right?
It should, if we measured it right.
That was so cool. We had the best time ever. They said it's super rare to be able to just sail in and out of that channel. The wind was just amazing for us today. Thank you for those amazing blessings.
But the poor kitty had a rough go.
Yeah, so Sidna had diarrhea all over her stuff. She was not happy.
And she threw up.
And she threw up.
Twice.
Twice. No, but you didn't throw up, did you? Liberty threw up.
So if you would really like to help us out, if you could give this a thumbs up, share it with friends. So we've got 93% left on our battery.
Yep.
So we hardly used any.
I know.
Just going in and out.
Pretty good. Well, we got a little bit of regen while we were out, but
Yeah.
perfect.
The cat is all cleaned out.
Yep, she's cleaned up after her mishaps today. All right, let's go.
You stay here.
So what are we celebrating, Liberty? Do you know?
Our first sail.
Our first sail. So our patrons have pitched in every month, and we're going to go out and celebrate tonight with ice cream for dinner.
Yeah. Yeah. Ice cream for dinner.
We're going to have ice cream for dinner to celebrate.
Nice dinner.